Hey there, it's Steve. I hope you're doing fantastic. This is one of my new favorite songs ever. It's The Seekers, I'll Never Find Another You. Somehow I'd never heard it before, and then I just did recently, and I've been binging. It's a great song from the 60s. I think it topped the Beatles on the charts. So I'm going to teach it to you in under 3 minutes. Got my capo on the 3rd fret. There's a lot of chords here, so just fasten your seatbelts. G major is the first chord. There's a New World C, C major. They call A7th. That's A7th is basically the A major with the open G string right there. They call the Promised Land, and you can go to D or D7th. And I'll be there someday as B minor. You can bar it like that. I play it with my thumb like that. If C major will hold my hand to D major, and then E minor, I still need you there. E minor beside me as C major. No matter, that's D major. C does this little walk down. It goes from D major to C major to B minor, and then A minor right there, or a C. You can play a C right there. For I know I'll never. C major, another D major, and back to G. That's a marathon. Okay, let's go to the first verse. There is always, as G major, basically does the same thing again for the most part. There is G, C, A7th, D7th or D major, G, B minor, C, D major, E minor, C, D, C, B minor, A minor, G major, C major, another U. So it goes, I know I'll never find C major, a D, a G. And then there's this little bridge here, and we got to go fast through this too. It's a E minor, long journey, C major, so G, C, G. When I E minor again through this D major, C major, G, C major, D7th. Okay, I'll do that one real quick. It's a long, long journey. A C major, so G, C, G. When I E minor through the D, you'll see G, C, D. And then it goes right back, if they gave me a fortune, and does the whole thing again, the whole verse again from the start. Okay, that's like 742 chords in 3 minutes. Rewind, pause, slow it down, do what you need to do, but learn this song, go listen to it, check out the chord chart below. And if it was helpful, hit the like button, subscribe here for more 3-minute guitar lessons. And I'm going to be doing more of the Seekers, I promise you. Like Georgia Girl, I always thought that was a cool one. All right, catch you later.